NATO vs. Warsaw Pact explained. 3. NATO, the Warsaw Pact, and the militarization of the conflict. The Berlin blockade had revealed just how fragile peace in Europe was. In response to the growing Soviet threat, the United States and its allies sought a more permanent form of military cooperation. In 1949, they established the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. Its members included the United States, Canada, and 10 Western European countries. The principle was simple but powerful: if one member was attacked, it would be considered an attack on all. NATO became a cornerstone of Western defense and a symbol of unity against Soviet aggression. The creation of NATO alarmed the Soviet Union. To counterbalance this alliance, in 1955 the Soviets organized the Warsaw Pact, a military coalition of Eastern European nations under Moscow's leadership. The two alliances effectively formalized the division of Europe into hostile camps. The arms race soon intensified. Both the United States and the Soviet Union sought to outmatch each other in military technology. The early 1950s saw the development of nuclear weapons far more powerful than the bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The hydrogen bomb, tested by both superpowers, drastically raised the stakes of any potential conflict. For ordinary people, the fear of nuclear war became a part of daily life. Governments built bomb shelters, schools held duck-and-cover drills, and propaganda on both sides emphasized the possibility of annihilation if the other bloc was not contained. Beyond Europe, the rivalry spread to other parts of the world. Both superpowers competed to expand their influence in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. The Cold War was no longer confined to the European continent, it was becoming a global struggle. One of the earliest and most significant flashpoints outside Europe was Korea. In 1950, the Korean War erupted when Communist North Korea, supported by the Soviet Union and later China, invaded South Korea, which was backed by the United States and other Western allies under the United Nations. The brutal conflict ended in 1953 with a stalemate, reinforcing the global nature of the Cold War. By the mid-1950s, it was clear that the Cold War had moved far beyond a political disagreement. It was now an armed standoff between two massive alliances, each ready to unleash unimaginable destruction if provoked.